Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm doing another giveaway and this is going to be Walmart yarn. I'm going to show you that soon. First, I'd like to just show a few things that are listed in my description, which is amyscrochetpatterns.com. And if you go to all of these categories, you can click on any of them. If you click on holidays, I have Easter coming up, so you can come here and click on any one of these Easter patterns. Most of them have videos and most all of them are free patterns. And you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to tag me on any of your projects that you have used by using one of my patterns. People like to do that and I like to see what you've made. And you can find me on Facebook. All of that's listed down below in my description as well. And you can come here at my Etsy store, Amy Creative Creations, and go to all. You can go to crochet PDFs. I have a few things on sale and vintage, and all is a lot of printables like cards, bingo cards for kids, thank you cards, and such. Okay, so let's see what the yarn is.
Okay, so for this giveaway, it's the Premier Bloom Chunky Yarn. This is the last color I found at Walmart. I think it costs around $5 per skein. You will get both of them with this giveaway. All you need to do is comment down below something crochet related. It's 100% acrylic, 7 ounces per skein of yarn. And it's called Snapdragon. It has like light pastel yellows and blues. It's 5 bulky, and you can use an 8 hook for crocheting. So all you need to do to participate is comment down below something crochet related. I will pick a winner in a few days. Just come on back and see if you're the winner. Just make sure you are a subscriber. And if you want to comment what you're working on or a video you'd like to see in the future. And this yarn is very nice and soft. And I did a couple of other giveaways on this yarn. It's really nice. All right, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.